In this exercise, I'm going to share a mindfulness exercise that you can use anytime to help alleviate feelings of anger and resentment. They may be related to memories of unprocessed energy, but our mindfulness has been shown to help reduce anxiety, depression, pain, and fatigue. It also helps to improve self-esteem and energy, increase self-mastery and motivation. This will also help with healing and relaxation. For all these reasons, it's a wonderful tool for managing anger and setting the stage for forgiveness. Sometimes it's easy to forget that anger can be a healthy emotion. It can come from a place of wishing things to be better or improved, like being angry about the injustices of slavery or being angry about your body being in pain. Expressing this in healthy ways is useful because bottling up anger numbs your other feelings as well, and as you probably already know, it wears on your health. So pretending that you're not mad is inauthentic, which people can sense, and it's also just as harmful as how it affects your health. When it's bottled up inside, it's often getting hotter and more reactive. On the other hand, anger can be an emotional roller coaster that stresses the body and can often feel dangerous, destructive, scary for you and for others. These are a few ways to bring mindfulness to anger. One way is to try to diffuse anger before there's a big blow up. See if you can blow off steam in other ways. If you feel angry or frustrated about a situation and you feel it building, try to go for a walk. Breathe in fully and breathe out fully, and maybe journal about how you're feeling. So in other words, before it accumulates and the buildup of irritation turns to anger, try to do a couple of these activities and you'll notice the progress as you go along. It's also helpful to bring mindfulness into learning about a situation before jumping to conclusions, sometimes asking questions, bringing in curiosity about what you might be thinking, and communicating with other people. This can lead to a realization that you may have assumed something that was different than how it actually was, or that it wasn't as black and white as you thought. And finally, when the emotion of anger is present, see if you can sense internally into the softer emotions beneath the anger, like hurt or fear, and getting in touch and sending more love and compassion towards yourself. Can you sense the underlying emotions anywhere in your body? If so, then simply and gently acknowledge them with a sense of kindness and compassion, and remembering that your feelings are absolutely normal. So let's begin. Bring your awareness to whatever is going on for you right now. Give the weight of your body up to gravity. Allow your weight to sink into the points of contact between your body and the floor, the chair, or the bed. What sensations are there right now? If you notice any tension or resistance towards painful or unpleasant sensations, gently turn your attention towards them. Accept them as best as you can. If you begin to tense around the breath, let it go a little bit more with each out-breath. Soften into gravity. Notice any thoughts as they arise and pass through the mind. See if you can let them come and go without being identified with their content. Just look at the pain or the sensation. Observe them without getting attached to the story. Observe them as if they were clouds in the sky. Notice any feelings and emotions as they arise. Can you let that come and go? Include everything within your awareness with a kind perspective. Now allow your awareness to gather around the experience of the breath deep within the body. Drop your awareness inside the breath and feel the different sensations in the front, back, and sides of your torso. Can you feel your awareness within the flow and movement of the breath? Use the breath to anchor your awareness in the present moment, breathing in the body. Notice each inhale and each exhale again and again. Each time you notice your mind has wandered, just gently guide it back to the breathing, the deepness within your body. Gently expand your awareness to include the whole body. Feel the weight of your body, the shape of your body. Feel your body as it sits, stands, or lies. If you've got any pain or discomfort, make sure your awareness stays open. Cultivate acceptance or acknowledgement for all of your experience. As you feel into this sensation, be willing not only to accept it with compassion, but you could be willing at this point to release it, allowing more love and peace and health to enter into your existence. Continue to breathe and just move your awareness around to whatever the sensations are located. It takes courage to look inside. It takes courage to look at our tough emotions and to try to conjure compassion when we are feeling anger and resentment. It takes courage to be willing to shift things into a more positive sensation, to look at our pain instead of trying to avoid it. Thank you for your courage today to do this exercise with me. And make sure you give yourself high amounts of gratitude for beginning this journey of letting go these tough emotions.